AMUVEC multi-USB charging cable 3A4 in1 fast charger cord connector with dual phone Type-C micro USB port adapter, compatible with tablet Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, LG and more. 4FT2 pack. 4-in-1 charger cable. 1 cable equals 4 charging cables. State-of-the-art 4-in-1 designed with 3 different USB ports. Dual iPhone micro USB and Type-C. It can charge most mobile phones on the market. Note, the charging cable can only be charged and does not support data transmission. Fast charging. The multi-function charging cable can charge multiple different electronic devices at the same time. The maximum total output current can be up to 3A total, not each end. Make sure you can charge your phone quickly. Please use the 5V3A output USB power adapter. High-quality materials. Powerful military fiber, the most flexible, strongest and most durable material, increases tension by 200%. Special strain relief design withstands 10,000 plus bending tests. The high-quality aluminum housing makes the cable more durable and resistant to heat and corrosion. Ensure a longer service life. Applicable occasions. With the 4FT link, the multi-USB data line is most suitable for families, travel or work, business trips and other occasions. You don't need to carry more charging data cables. A mini 4-in-1 cable can satisfy all your charging devices. What you get. Your satisfaction is the driving force for our growth. We provide that AMUVEC's charging cord has a 30-day return guarantee, a 12-month worry-free warranty, and a 7/24 friendly service. If you have any doubts, please contact our service team as soon as possible. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.